Welcome. I want to share with you a few words of encouragement.
Repeat these 2 words every day and see what happens. Have you ever heard the phrase "you are what you eat"? Well, it might surprise you to know that we are also what we say and think. Our words are incredibly powerful and have the ability to both build and destroy. They influence every aspect of our lives, and our beliefs shape our reality. Often, we only stop to think about the power of our words after they have already caused harm. However, there is a powerful technique in psychology that involves using 2 specific words to influence your reality. Take some time to journey within yourself and observe your thoughts. Incorporate positive words and affirmations into your vocabulary, and you will quickly see the impact it has on your life. The 2 magic words you can use every day are allow and cancel. When you think of something positive, say "I allow" out loud. And when negative thoughts and worries invade your mind, simply say "I cancel." To give even more power to your positive thoughts, state what you want to achieve and end by saying "I allow." Practicing this technique every day will help you become more aware of your thoughts, actions, and life. And as you take small steps towards your goals, you will see the positive changes happening all around you. Remember, the responsibility for your life is solely yours. So, cancel all your negative thoughts and give power to your positive thoughts. Allow your dreams to come true. Type Amen if you believe in miracles. Remember to like this video, and give thanks. Watch this important message right now.